What's up, everyone? So we're really excited. We just got this Nexgrill Revelry 4-burner grill, and we're going to test it out for the first time today. I actually put this thing together myself, and it was really easy to do. The instructions were simple to follow. So it's a stainless steel 4-burner grill. The end caps are made out of cast iron, so it's really heavy duty and built to last, and it'll hold in the heat. And then over here, we have a side burner with 12,000 BTUs, so while you're cooking on the grill, you can throw on some tortillas or some potatoes and just keep it all going at the same time. There's an electric start button here, and over here there's a light that lights up LEDs on these knobs, so if you're cooking at night, you can still get everything done and see everything. And down here, there's a door that opens, and there's actually a light that goes on in here, so if you need to change the propane tank, you can do that too. Over here you have some utensil holders and a bottle opener, but I think the best thing about this grill is this pull-out smoker box, so you can throw in some wood chips and really infuse your meat with the flavor that you want. So let's throw some meat on this thing and try it out. So we just got done grilling up all this delicious meat. We're super impressed with the grill. We were able to cook for 6 people on it with the meat, the sides. We were able to use the side burner to do the tortillas and put a flash sear on the meat. We're really excited, so let's dig in.